Finally, this is the last section of roof/ceiling that I have to put on this white pine board. This is the last piece out over the porch. So it's an 8-foot section there. So I'm going to show you in this video how some of the times you put these boards together, they're bowed or there's gaps between them and you're trying to get them as tight as you can. I didn't show you in any of the other videos how I do that, so I'm going to show you later on in this video how I pull these boards as tight as I can when there's some gaps. So stay tuned. Thought I heard some turkeys calling on the other hill, so I took a few seconds there, do a couple chirps, see if I get them to answer. They didn't. So there'd been a day where just hearing turkeys on the hill, I just stopped whatever I was doing. It wouldn't have mattered where I was on the job. I lived to hunt turkeys when I was younger. That feeling has passed, sadly. I miss it once in a while, especially when I hear the birds sounding off. But other things have replaced that now. Maybe I'll get back into it later. Who knows? Here, like the rest of the 2 sides or 3 sides that I have done, the porch and the main building, I try to match up the same size boards on one side as I used on the other side. Of course, I sanded the bottom of all these boards, as you've seen in previous videos. So to polish them up a little bit, the upper sides, as you can see, not very appealing looking. Some of them are pretty black and dark, but that's why we took the belt sander to the one side, so the side's showing, so we can get a nice finish on it when we're ready to finish it. As I've said before, I do have a nail gun, but I just feel that screwing these boards down is a better way to go. These boards have been drying for less than a year, but they're still considered probably green. So screwing them down, I think, is going to keep them from pulling. So that's why I've been using a screw gun, although using a nail gun would have been a lot faster. You can see there's a gap in this board because the board's bowed. So what I do is I screw a block onto the deck. I have this pipe vise or clamp, whatever you want to call it. And then I'll try to pull this board together as far as I can, then screw it. It's almost a 1/4 inch gap, so we'll see what we can do.
Waking up in the flower bed, the sun is up, table set, we eat and
I don't know where I'm going to get it with that block.
body and bread, blood and wine. There's a time to live, time to die, and a time to be. Slow down. Listen to
Block split. Try it again.
say a word, hold a hand. Life is not the sum of what we plan, but the in between. This miracle of human life and the body and time that we occupy, it is all together sacred. Slow down. Listen for a heartbeat. With everything in motion. Oh, here now. See the beauty that's woven.
That's the best we're going to do. The block's pulling out.
In every single moment.
So we got most of it out. That block's not a very good block, but we got most of it out of there. I'm fine with that. The other way to get some smaller cracks out, I already screwed this fast before I videoed it, but you drive your chiseling down through here and you pry on it, pull that together, then run your screws in. That works pretty good. You don't have to use that clamp unless it's a pretty wide gap.
And listen for a heartbeat. With everything in motion. Oh, here now. See the beauty that's woven in every single moment. In every single moment. Slow down and listen for a heartbeat. With everything in motion. Here now. See the beauty that's woven in in every single moment.
To the last video for putting down the ceilings. So if you like watching these types of videos, I have every episode of the log cabin workshop build out on my YouTube channel. So you go to that section of the channel and you'll be able to start from where I poured the piers for the footers, to building the support beams the whole way up to this part right now. So please take a look and join me on this journey of building this log cabin building.